Sick of burnt crusts, soggy centers, and pizzas that taste nothing like the place down the street? Your home oven maxes out at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Real pizza needs 700 to 950. This video covers the 7 best outdoor pizza ovens in 2026, budget to premium. All links in the description. Stick around. The number 1 does something no other oven here can. Starting at number 7, the Bighorn Outdoors 12-inch multi-fuel, the best ultra-budget pizza oven that hits real pizza temperatures. Your indoor oven caps at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Most bargain ovens feel like soda cans with a door. The Bighorn doesn't. First, 3-in-1 multi-fuel design. Start on wood pellets, add gas or electric burner attachments as your skills grow. Next, 887 degrees Fahrenheit peak heat. Pizza in 60 to 90 seconds. Ready from cold in 18 minutes. Real Neapolitan territory. Finally, a compact stainless steel body, light enough for camping, tailgating, and backyard nights. Cons: gas and electric burners sold separately. 12-inch limit caps bigger pies. Thin walls lose heat faster in wind. Best for first-time buyers and renters testing pizza night obsession. Not for 16-inch pizza cooks or heavy insulation seekers. At $119.01, the Bighorn is the cheapest way out of 450 degrees Fahrenheit sadness. Starting out, start here. At number 6, the PIZZELLO Grande 16-inch 2-layer. The best large-capacity budget oven for cooks who grill and bake together. Budget ovens cap at 12 inches. Family pizza ends up tiny. You need a separate grill for sides. The Grande does both in one unit. First, a 16-inch cooking zone. Real family-sized pies, no dough trimming. Next, a 2-layer design. Pizza bakes on the lower stone, while steak, fish, or veggies grill up top. One fire, one meal. Finally, a multi-fuel firebox for charcoal, wood, or pellets. Different smoke profiles, your call. Cons: no gas option. Slower preheat than dedicated pizza ovens. More smoke than propane. Best for families cooking full dinners at once and weekend entertainers. Not for gas convenience cooks or clean patio purists. At $159.99, the Grande cooks pizza and dinner together. Feeding a crew? Grab this one. Coming in at number 5, the Ooni Karu 12, the best entry point Ooni and your first real Neapolitan capable oven. Most budget ovens cap at 750 to 850 degrees Fahrenheit. Real Neapolitan needs 900 plus. You feel the difference in the first bite. The Karu 12 gets you there. First, 950 degrees Fahrenheit peak temperature. Authentic 60-second crust. Proper leoparding. The spec restaurants chase. Next, a custom fuel tray that maximizes airflow and keeps the burn clean. No ash mess, no choked flame. Finally, multi-fuel flexibility. Wood and charcoal out of the box, or add an Ooni gas burner for propane nights. Cons: the gas burner is sold separately. The oven is 12 inches only, and wood fuel takes practice to dial in. Best for aspiring home pizzaiolos ready to learn live fire cooking. Not for plug-and-play gas-only cooks. At $248.95, the Karu 12 is the cheapest real Ooni. Want the brand without the premium bundle? This is your entry. Number 4, the PIZZELLO Forte 16-inch, the best dual-fuel oven that ships with both burners included. You want gas convenience and wood-fired flavor. Other dual-fuel ovens charge you twice. You buy the second burner separately. The Forte doesn't. First, both burners included. Propane for fast weeknight pies, wood for weekend nights, 0 add-ons to purchase. Next, a 16-inch cooking area, real family pizza, bigger subs, pretzels, or full-baked dishes. Finally, 752 degrees Fahrenheit peak heat with 60-second pizza, plus a carry bag so the whole setup goes to campsites or tailgates. Cons: the 752 degrees Fahrenheit cap falls short of 900 degrees Fahrenheit Neapolitan territory. Stainless walls are thin, and burner construction is budget grade. Best for hosts who switch between fast propane weeknights and slow wood-fired weekends. Not for 900 degrees Fahrenheit Neapolitan purists. At $259.99, the Forte hands you both fuels in one oven. Want flexibility without the upsell? This is your pick. Number 3. The Ninja Artisan Electric. The best electric outdoor oven for apartments, homeowners associations, and anyone banned from propane. Gas ovens mean tanks, hoses, open flames, a non-starter on condo balconies, rental patios, or strict homeowners association rules. The Ninja plugs into a standard outlet. First, 5-in-1 functionality: pizza, bake, broil, proof, and warm. One outdoor oven, not a one-trick box. Next, 5 pizza presets: Neapolitan, thin crust, pan, New York, custom. Pick your style, let the oven handle the rest. Finally, even electric heat with no flames. 3-minute pizzas at 700 degrees Fahrenheit, no turning required. Cons: the 700 degrees Fahrenheit cap means no real 900 degrees Fahrenheit leoparding. Requires an outdoor outlet. And the bulky footprint limits portability. Best for apartment cooks, homeowners association restricted patios, full meal outdoor families. Not for 900 degrees Fahrenheit purists or off-grid campers. At $299.99, the Artisan Electric is the homeowners association friendly pick. No propane, no problem. Balcony chef? This is your oven. Quick reminder, if this video is helping, hit like and subscribe. All links are in the description. Now the top 2. Number 2. The Ooni Koda 2. The best propane oven for cooks who want Ooni polish without juggling wood. Even premium gas ovens leave hot spot leoparding. One side burnt, the other pale. You spin pizzas every 15 seconds. The Koda 2 ends that problem. First, G2 tapered flame burner technology. Patent-pending design delivers 200% better heat distribution across the stone. Next, a 50% thicker pizza stone, 20% faster reheats between pies. No first pizza good, second pizza cold gap. Finally, a 14-inch cooking area, 20% more stone than the Koda 12, yet the whole oven is just 35 pounds. Cons: propane only, no wood fire flavor. No window or door. You check crusts by lifting the pizza. And no pellet compatibility. Best for gas purists cooking back to back, Ooni loyalists upgrading the Koda 12. Not for wood fire romantics or multi-fuel seekers. At $498.95, the Koda 2 is pure propane perfected. Want Ooni polish without the firewood? Koda 2 delivers. Now for number 1. This is the only pizza oven here that spins your pizza for you. Here it is. Number 1. The Halo Versa 16. The only outdoor pizza oven here that turns your pizza for you. Every other oven burns one side while the other stays pale. You spin every 15 seconds. Miss a beat? Charred slice. The Halo takes that off your hands. First, a motorized rotating cordierite stone. The 16-inch stone spins 360 degrees automatically. Perfectly even crust. Zero manual turning. Next, a dual burner heat system. U-shaped convection meets infrared, top and bottom cooking together. Finally, propane flexibility. 20-pound tank or 1-pound canister. Patio, tailgate, campsite, all handled. Cons: heavier and bulkier than portable ovens. Propane only, no wood-fired flavor. A motorized part nothing else here carries. Best for hosts who want perfect pies without standing over the peel. Not for minimalists chasing zero moving parts or wood-fire purists. At $399, the Halo Versa 16 does the one job your arms are sick of. Want the absolute best? This is it. And that's the 7 best outdoor pizza ovens in 2026. From the cleanest budget pick to the only oven that turns pizzas for you. Drop a comment, which one are you going with? All the links are in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.